Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, our family channel. Guys, we are here at Lake Compounds. The happy baby's in his own little mood right now. He's been a crab since morning. But stay tuned for this nice video that we will be making while we are here. So it's nighttime, guys.
We're not gonna do.
We got the happy baby over here. We got the rest of the crowd.
No, get this one, get this one.
Everybody got the giggles in the tent tonight. You hear everybody, guys? Hello, guys. This is the next day from Lake Compounds. My son Giovanni is running, trying to get this fire going. We gotta organize everything.
Daddy's here.